Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. Just a quick one this time. I got this package yesterday. I didn't have time to open it, and I'm on the go today. But I really want to see the shoes, so let's do a quick unboxing. We have sole in our sole, so this is the latest pair from the latest Air Jordan release. Personal thank you. That's always nice. It's unusual big box, so maybe there's something extra in there. Sole story are nice like that sometimes. So let's see. A pretty cool t-shirt, but I don't wear black, so if anybody wants it, just let me know. And these are the Air Jordan 8 Turbo Green, I think they're called, but we all call them South Beach. Since LeBron left Miami a couple of years ago, we don't get any LeBrons in this Miami colorway anymore. The colorway is inspired by Miami Vice and Miami in general. The shoes, I wasn't so sure about them in the beginning because, as you maybe have noticed on my Instagram, you that follow me on Instagram, is that I'm a bit bored with sneakers at the moment actually. So if I'm gonna buy a pair of shoes, I want them to be really something special, something flashy. And these are maybe not as colorful as I want. 8s are usually kind of colorful, with the colorful sole and the 90s colors. But with these extra laces, they're gonna look amazing. My plan is to get to have the green laces on one shoe and the pink, I think they are called pink laces, on the other shoe, and that's gonna look great. And to my surprise, actually, these sold out instantly. I think everywhere, which I haven't seen a pair of Air Jordan 8s sell out a general release, except from the Drake's ones, or OVO. But general release 8s that sold out instantly, that's been a couple of years ago. So that's nice to see. The leather quality is good. Yeah, it's good. Tumble leather on the straps. You don't have the same tumble leather all over the shoe. That's kind of that's too bad. You can see on the toe, you won't see it there, but the tumble stops at the toe. But on the straps that you don't feel on your foot, the leather is very soft. And on this shoe, the tumble is better on the toe, but not as much on the straps. But the colors are nice. I have a G-Shock that will match these colors, turbo green. And I don't understand why people don't like the 8s. Maybe because they are hard to try on, or people think that they are hard to put on. I like every shoe that makes it easier for me to put on. That doesn't have to be laced up and laced on every time you put them on and off. So I usually, the model is a sock model, neoprene sock inside. So the laces are just loose like this, nothing else. And then just put your foot in. You usually doesn't even have the straps, fasten the straps. Sometimes I go like this, and sometimes I lock them because they look better like this. So I'm gonna do on foot later today. Actually, I have to go now. So I'm gonna show you how they look on foot with the unmatching laces. So in the meanwhile, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Did you get the shoes? Did you like the shoes? And what do you think about the Air Jordan 8s? Do you have any 8s? Do you like them? Yes, they are heavy, they are chunky, and if I remember correctly, you only have an air sole in the heel. It's not full length air sole. And maybe you get a bit warm in them, but I really like the 8s. I really do. It's too bad that you don't get. We don't have so many 8s to date, and the 8s that are released are not so colorful. Usually just boring colors. We have the Aqua 8s that are the best release of them all. I have lost my 2015 release, so this is old pair. The 2015 looks better in my opinion because you have a lot more, or you have glitter. These doesn't have any glitter at all. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna go, but you will see my outfit very soon. Thanks. All right, after a very long day, I'm back home again. I laced up the shoes, maybe a bit too tight. Actually, the shoe itself feels kind of tight. The Retro 8s are usually true to size. I would say the lower numbers anyway. But yeah, this is how you wear them. The pink, I think I'm a bit colorblind, but I think this is pink. This color is super cool. So maybe I should use those laces on both shoes. I usually don't tie them like this. I usually have them very loose. Use something like this. And then these do all the tightening. If I even use the straps. This looks amazing. Better than I thought. But I actually think the shoe is a bit small. I usually have, the leather is really soft. I usually have problem here with my wide feet. And I would say these are true to size, but they are not wide in the model. And so yeah, that's correct. If you have normal feet, then there should be no problem. I forgot to show you my matching G-Shock. If it matches. I really don't like when you're... Why I used to lay the laces like that is because I really don't like when you tie your shoes, the knot is over here, and the laces goes over the straps. And if you tie them somewhere else, you have a knot here, you feel it on your foot. So I usually just lay them under the straps. This looks super cool. It wouldn't hurt if the shoe itself had more colors, but the laces does the whole trick. And I think I'm gonna put the pink neon laces on both of them. And maybe if I have to complain, some kind of metallic laces would be nice. Metallic here, like on the Aqua 8s. So this metallic turbo green, all over the shoe, or where the green parts are, because the neoprene green is also metallic, sort of. So maybe a bit flashier green, and maybe a bit flashier laces. But now I like them. The pink laces did the whole thing. They did. And yeah, they are actually kind of maybe a half a size too small. I usually wear 8s, and I never have problem with the 8s. The Aqua 8s that were released in 2015, they were a bit small. That's why I used to try them on in the store and never. I more or less forgot about them after that, and now I can't find them, which bugs me quite a bit. Or I know that they're in my basement, but this is nice. I'm gonna see if my G-Shock matches, because I think it doesn't. Well, it didn't. I was thinking of another G-Shock that I had before that I sold, but maybe. Of course, you can wear it together. It's good enough. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah. What do you think? White laces, pink laces on both, green laces on both, or one of each like I have it? What do you think? Please hit that bell button, because my viewers rating has just dropped. Very low numbers now. I don't know what YouTube is doing, but subscribe, comment, hit that bell button, and I appreciate it a lot. Once again, the leather is softer than I thought. The leather is great. You could go up half a size if you have wide feet, and in my taste, definitely change the laces to the more colorful laces, either green or pink.